like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is pain.
Okay, so guys, it's time to show you my favorite 3 custom rooms which I reviewed in March 2021, which includes 3 custom rooms. First one is which is in my hands based on Android version 11, the Ancient OS update, which is one of my favorite ones out there. And I have 2 other rooms, for example, the second one which is called Octavi OS. And if you want full reviews about these rooms, I have dedicated videos on all of these rooms actually. And the third one we're gonna talk about is RR Resurrection Remix, which is actually based on Android version 10. And I just love all these 3 rooms, and I've chosen these 3 rooms from one of my favorite ones. So if you are also looking for these some interesting rooms, you can install any one of them below, and all of these rooms alongside with their links alongside with the videos is in the description. First of all, we're going to talk about the Ancient OS which I reviewed and why I like this room so much. It's one of the reason behind this is UI. The UI seems to be really interesting one. The dual status bar is just one of my favorite ever features. So this is why I just love this room. This is why I'm using this room right now on my device, and even I use this room maybe for maximum time if you compare it with my other usage custom rooms, you can say. If we talk about the UI, as I previously told you, it has something unique kind of UI everywhere. Sound and vibration here, everything seems to be little bit of different if you compare with the other AOSP based rooms. Every menu, everything, every single menu, sub menu, everything seems to be a difficult and different kind of thing everywhere. Notification UI, Megalis 11, where we have customizations. A lot of customizations are also included there with some interesting and unique kind of customizations, display, etc. It's just great. Ancient OS is one of those custom rooms where we have a lot of customizations alongside with a very unique kind of UI. This is why I have chosen this room number 1 in my list if you compare it with one of those favorite custom rooms. If you want to know about my favorite custom rooms, this is why I've included this room in one of my favorite ones, the Ancient OS v5.2. Link is in the description, and also the video if you want full review. I have a dedicated video on all of these rooms videos, so make sure to check out them. Like, now let's talk about some other things about this room and some other rooms which we have. This one was actually Ancient OS, and now the second one which we're gonna talk about right now as expectedly Octavi OS. As you can see, it has the Octavi lab where we have some customizations. Octavi OS is also one of the things why I liked so much is because of the UI. It also has a unique kind of UI options available where we have the fonts related interesting customizations. It has some cool and interesting insane features. It has a very unique kind of UI everywhere, as you can see, and it is not actually same like other ones. And this one is the latest OctaviOS 2.1, so has some different and interesting kind of customizations everywhere. The UI seems to be different one everywhere. This is why I've chosen this one, and as you can see, it has new animations in the OctaviOS 2.1 right now, so you definitely need to try out this build also on your device. Link for both of the things is in the description, and I've chosen this room number 2 in my favorite 3 rooms list, so this is why I'm using this one. And last but not the least, one of my favorite all-time favorite, which is called Resurrection Remix. And if this ROM is available for your device, you should definitely give it a try, because this is great and it has insane customizations, actually customizations which you will never get in any other custom ROM. This is why this ROM is just great for this ROM is actually great in almost everything, which means everything. You will get almost every kind of a simple, high level, medium level, every kind of customization in this custom ROM. Actually, it doesn't come with Android version level, it only has the Android version 10, but that is not the big issue. At least Android version 10 is not too old, and also Android version 10 is far more stable if you compare it with the Android version 11. And as I previously shown you that this ROM has insane customization, so if you are a customization lover, you can try out this build on your device. And I have a dedicated video video on this one also in this month, in March 2021. This ROM also just covers a lot of things, especially it's based on Android version 10. I have some apps which are only compatible with Android version 10, not for Android version 11. But if you compare other Android version 10 based ROMs, those are not perfect. If you compare it with this Resurrection Remix, it's great. This is why I've chosen this ROM, and also it's third in my list. Why it's not first in my list? Because only for some of the reason, which firstly includes Ancient OS. Of course, Ancient OS is just great. It's just beaten a Resurrection Remix if you talk about those things. That's why I've chosen top 3 in my list, and Ancient OS is number 1 because of that dual status bar, which I love a lot. Also has some customization, unique customization. Octavie also has some interesting customizations, but Resurrection Remix as all-time favorite ROM, as my all-time favorite ROM, I couldn't leave that. This is why all these 3 ROMs, and these are my favorite ones for this month. See you in the next month, and these were the things I just want to let you. Link is in the description for all of these ROMs alongside with the reviews. I hope you like this, and as I previously told you, we'll see you next month with all those other interesting favorite ROMs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is pain.